Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto School. So in this video we are going to review another awesome and a very amazing pre-sale product. So make sure you watch the video till the end. So before starting the video, I am going to give you a small disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor, so do your own research as well. This video is for educational purposes. So friends, here you can see we are on the website. The product name is layerbrett and layerbrett is unleashing the future of blockchain. The pre-sale is live and you can check out. Currently the price is $0.0058 per token. Also the amount raised is shown here. Next price is shown here. You can pay with ETH as well as you can change out the currencies as well, and you can check out how much amount you will receive and buy and stake for 619.39% rewards. So the staking rewards are really good. You can also stake as well. Down here you can check out their community. They have X handle, TikTok community as well as Telegram handle. So make sure you check out their social media handles as well. So they are featured in Cryptopolitan, Coin Central, Finbold, MSN, Crypto Economics, Blockchain Reporter, and much more. So let's check out their about section. Welcome to layerbrett, where innovation meets personality. Layerbrett is no longer just another name in the crypto world. He is a symbol of transformation, breaking free from the ordinary and stepping into the new era of blockchain technology. Isn't just another layer 2 product. It's a movement built for speed, rewards, and a whole lot of characters. You can check out their white paper as well as buy their pre-sale. Down here you can check out the logo is really good. It is fairly well designed. It is looking really attractive. Down here you can check out some other features include they are built on the Ethereum network, double the rewards, cutting edge technology, scalable and secure, community driven vision as well as seamless interpolability are some of the features of this amazing product. Also you can check out the method of buying. It's pretty simple. You have to create a MetaMask, then add some of the funds, then come to the site, convert your funds into the layerbrett tokens and then stake. Down here you can check out the tokenomics of the product. 30% of the supply is for pre-sale, 10% is for exchange listing, 8% is for marketing rewards, 5% is for foundation and reserve, 3.5% is for community rewards, 1% is for charity, 2.5% is for team, 15% is for ecosystem development, and 25% is for staking rewards. Down here you can check out the symbol is the layerbrett. Starting price is $0.004. Supply is shown here. Contract address is shown here. Decimals are 16. It's deployed onto the Ethereum network. So you can check out the bonuses onto the pre-sale as also given here. Get in early with a pre-sale pricing, offering the lower cost for layerbrett token. Secure your position before prices surge and layerbrett launches on major exchanges. So you had to enter it on the lower prices as well. Down here you can check out some of the features include fastest transactions, community power, lower fees, seamless experience as well as programmability are some of the features. You can check out the layerbrett wars as well. $1 million giveaway is coming soon. Also you can check out the roadmap of the project. Roadmap has been divided into features. Phase 1 is all about community uprising, phase 2 is about the genesis, phase 3 is about the breakout, phase 4 is about Brett Unchained. In phase 5 you will see the infinity features as well. They will update the roadmap once it's completed. So there are many much developments coming into this amazing product. Also you can check out the calculator as well. You can calculate your returns using this calculator. Also some of the frequently asked questions are already answered by them, such as what is layerbrett, what is layer 2, what sets layerbrett different from other products, how you can buy it, and everything are given here. Also make sure you join their social media handles such as TikTok, X handle as well as Telegram handle. Their support as well as marketing mails are given here. If you have any problem you can directly contact them. Also you can talk with the developers of the product onto the Telegram. So make sure you participate into this amazing product because this product is looking really good and its future of blockchain. Make sure to do some own research as well. This video is just for educational purposes. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.